Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on a Nintendo Switch without an adapter. Many of us love the familiar feel of the PlayStation 4 DualShock controller, and it's natural to want to use it across different gaming systems. However, connecting it to your Nintendo Switch without a dedicated adapter isn't straightforward. We'll go over the technical aspects and the methods that allow for this kind of cross-platform play. First, let's understand why a direct connection isn't typically possible. Both the Nintendo Switch and the PlayStation 4 DualShock controller utilize Bluetooth technology, but they operate on distinct communication protocols. This means a standard, unmodified Nintendo Switch console isn't designed to recognize or pair directly with a DualShock controller. Historically, bridging this gap has always required a physical, third-party adapter to translate the signals between the two devices. 4. For those seeking a solution without a physical adapter, custom firmware on a modified Nintendo Switch offers a unique path. By installing specific homebrew applications, such as Mission Control, your Switch can gain the ability to recognize and pair with a wider range of Bluetooth controllers, including the PlayStation 4 DualShock. This software-based approach effectively eliminates the need for a separate hardware adapter, allowing for a direct wireless connection. 8. Before considering any custom firmware solution, it's crucial to understand the implications. Modifying your Nintendo Switch can void your warranty and potentially lead to online service bans from Nintendo. This process requires technical knowledge and careful execution. Always ensure you are following reputable guides and backing up your system data to mitigate risks. Proceed with caution and at your own discretion to ensure a safe experience. 4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.